So that was savings, which as we said is a flow. So what about wealth, the stock of assets, the stock of wealth held by the economy? And so this is going to include the following kinds of things. Plants, that is factory plants, so equipment, structures, inventories. Housing is a stock of the nation's wealth. These are all things attained with investment. And so in fact, we can see that wealth can be accumulated in two ways, right? So savings, our flow that adds to the level of wealth, is equal to investment plus the current account balance. So investment obviously adds to wealth by increasing new assets. So plants, equipment, housing, etc., which we call the nation's capital stock, or K. We can also accumulate wealth by our claims on foreigners. And so as it turns out, the total amount of new claims on foreigners is going to be equal to this current account balance. And you can think about it as if we have so much money coming in from abroad, from our net exports and our net payments from abroad, we have to do something with it. And what ends up happening, of course, is that it's saved. It's loaned back to foreigners, whether that means buying assets, buying foreign assets, giving loans, and so on. And so the flip side of this current account is our net claims abroad. So this net increase on claims abroad. And so included in our nation's wealth here, yes, there's plants, equipment, structures, inventories, and housing, but also things like foreign assets, foreign loans, things like that. So these are the two ways we can accumulate wealth as a country. And just to reiterate, recall that wealth and capital are stocks, investment and current account are flows. So these flows are what lead the stocks to increase or decrease.